So, hello everyone, I'm Shivans Mishra. So, today we are going to solve the problem of the day 3541. Find the most frequent vowel and consonant. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letter A to Z. Your task is to find the vowel which is having the maximum frequency and the consonant which is having the maximum frequency and return the sum of these two frequencies. So the question here is saying only that we are going to have only the smaller, we are going to have the lowercase letters of the alphabet here, and we have to just find the maximum frequency of the vowels that are present here and the maximum frequency of the consonants. Okay, and we have to just return the sum of these two frequencies. So let's do this. So what we have to do is we have to just count the frequency. So we can do that with our math. Let's go with frequency. Okay, so we are just going to count the frequency of each of the characters which are present in our string. Okay, so int maximum frequency of vowel is 0 and maxi constant. Okay, so now we are going to iterate over our map. Okay, so now okay, okay. So why I am making a set here? We are making a set here to just check if if vowel is if that of the current character which are we are going to check is vowel or not. So why I am going to do that? We can also write here the if and if it dot ff is equals to a, like that we have to write down all the five. But once we have them in set, we can just do that st dot count it dot ff. If it returns 1, then it is going to be present in that. If it's written 0, then that character is not a vowel. Okay, so if it's that, then maxi of vowel is equals to max of maxi vowel and it dot second. Okay, else maxi of consonant is equals to maxi of consonant comma it of second. Just we have to return maxi of vowel, maxi of consonant. Okay, as defined first, as defined ss is equals to second. So what I have written here, the has defined ff. These are the some. These are simply defining that if whenever I write ff, it is going to be first, and sf it is going to be second. Okay. So what we have done here, we have created a frequency map, which is I'm going to use so that we can count the frequency of the characters which are going to be present in the string. Okay, and what are these? These are the maximum frequency of vowel and maximum frequency of consonant. Whatever character is going to have the maximum frequency, and you can say that whatever is the maximum frequency of the vowel characters are going to be present in maxi v, and for the same consonants we are going to do that. We have why we make a set. We are making that set so that we can check at any point that that given character is a vowel or not. So st.count it of first iterators first, as we are going to iterate over the frequency map. So first it.ff and it.first is going to give us the key, and the it.second is going to give us the value. As map is a key value kind of thing, so we are going to get on iterating we are going to get the key value pair. So it.first, now we are checking that it dot first is a vowel or not. If it's vowel, then we are going to we are going to get the maximum value over maximum value till that point and that point. We are going to check for the maxi, and if it's greater than the existing max vowel frequency, then it is going to change. Same for the consonant, and after all the characters, if 26 are present, then after the 26 we are going to get maxi of both, and just as we need to return the sum of the two frequencies, we are going to return. Let's submit it. Yeah, you can see that we have we have got a acceptation of 100%. Yes, so that's all I think. And for the time complexity, we have iterated for the all the characters present in string, that is the string length, and that is a loop of only 26, as there are only unique 26 characters which are going to be present in a string. So that loop is going to be constant. But for that loop, we are going to use the Vigo of n space, Vigo of n time complexity. Yes, and the frequency map, it's going to be constant size. Why it is going to be the max? It is going to get the max size of 26 characters, not more than that. Not okay, not more than that. So you can say that it's all at most space complexity can be Vigo of 26. So that is constant. The space complexity is constant, and the time complexity is Vigo of n, because of that part. Yeah, we can say that. No, yes, pretty much of it. I think it's a easy problem, so it's pretty easy. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, yeah, or any suggestions, please feel free to comment it.